Hello, everyone. My name is Young-Jun. I'm in charge of Automotive Business Unit of Nextchip. Actually, I'm very nervous, but I'll do my best. And thank you for the opportunity me to have a presentation here. So today, I just decided to give you some kind of camera trend, especially based on the various CFAs in automotive markets. So it's a very general one. So maybe some of them they are not agreeing what I said, but then please visit our booth there. I'm open to discuss with you more deeply. So today, this content is like this. You don't know Nextchip well because we are a relatively small company. So I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the Nextchip first. And then, first of all, there are two types of cameras, simply. The viewing cameras and then sensing cameras. The sensing cameras is detecting something. Viewing cameras are only giving you the images. And then everyone can decide by yourself based on the only images from the cameras. That's the viewing cameras, especially in the automotive markets. So we usually say the human visions and the machine vision tuning are different. And there is challenges. I'm going to explain and address the challenges first of all, and how to solve based on our technologies. So I'll give you some test results as well. So Nextchip is a fabless company. It's a relatively new company. We went to public last year, fortunately, but we are spun off from the mother companies 4 years ago. But the mother companies is doing the business, especially the image signal processing markets, over 20 years. Based on that experience and the knowledge and the technologies, we got that. And then we went to the automotive business. And we went to public the last year. Means we are still relatively small companies, but financially it's very stable. Our technology is already mass productions. So we usually say the market-proven technologies. Over 50 cars already use our technologies, and 420 million chipsets we are shipping. The automotive reliability is really, really important. Of course, the chipset itself or product itself, there is automotive qualifications needed, but the organizations as well. The organizations talking about the processing, development processing, but we have certifications about CMMI level 3, ASPICE CL3, and plus ISO 26262 ACD capable organization processings. We do have the processor, two of that for the automotive cameras, the viewing processor and the sensing processor. We call it the advanced ADAS technology is the ADAS SoC that we produce. And when it comes to the ISP way, image signal processing way, that's our core technologies. And the know-how is over 20 years already explained that. We think it's the world-class ISPs. Unfortunately, in the automotive market, there is no standard when it comes to the image qualities. So it means you have to meet every customer's specification each by each. To do that, and then you need very good support tools and the know-hows. So we have been in this market over 20 years, so our tools and the know-hows and the dispatching the engineers, so everything is possible.